Bounthy Singing Birds. Author Sinthanou Sidavone. Illustrator Nivong Sengsakoun. Translator Sanjana Khoobchandani. Bounthy's home is near the forest. There are birds all around that sing beautiful songs. Coo-oo, coo-oo, sing the birds. Bounthy sits and listens to the birds sing with joy. Every day, his father takes one bird to the forest to help catch other birds. He catches the birds one by one and brings them all home. Bounthy's home is filled with birds. But after some time, instead of singing, they sigh sadly. One day, Bounthy wakes up to see that none of his birds is singing. He tries to find ways to make them happy and sing again. He feeds them rice, but they don't eat any of it. "What happened to you, my birds?" he asks them. "Do you want to go back to the forest?" Bounthy decides to talk to his father. Bounthy and his father take the birds back to the forest and set them free. As the birds fly away, they look back at Bounthy with a smile. The next morning, Bounthy hears all of the birds singing happily on a tree next to his home. "Coo-oo, coo-oo,"